BOBO's Chicken is a beloved chicken shop and food truck located at 1812 Northeast 23rd Street in Oklahoma City. If you're on the lookout for a locally owned dining experience in OKC, BOBO's offers a unique experience with their mouth-watering fried chicken and fried biscuits drizzled in real honey. This family-run food truck business has been around for a long time and has garnered a loyal following for its delicious fried chicken. Customers rave about the divine flavors and friendly, family-run atmosphere. Despite a sporadic schedule, loyal patrons make the trek for BOBO's one-of-a-kind recipes. Their location may lack signage, but the red food truck and trailer are unmistakable. Join the BOBO's Chicken Facebook group for updates on when they're open for business. Many loyal customers rave that BOBO's Chicken is a must-visit for those craving delicious fried chicken with a side of nostalgia and community support. This business is named for its founder Ozell, BOBO, Pope Powell, whose legacy is his big red food truck with its signature smoked tenders and wings. Long before food trucks had dedicated parks and were seemingly on every street corner, the tales of BOBO's were so widespread in Oklahoma City that the man became a living legend. Ozell Pope Powell, affectionately known as BOBO, was born in Preston, Oklahoma in 1937. BOBO believed indoor slow cooking was best and eventually got his unique taste right in the smoker he built both for short and long cooking. The aroma had to be just right, and even seasoning even had to look a certain way. So when you think about late night eats, think about BOBO's Chicken, which opens around 6 p.m. and stays open until 3 a.m.